You just finished a great dinner, and now the food coma is setting in. Your brain is telling you to nap, but your goals are telling you to move. What if I told you that you can actually boost your metabolism and manage your blood sugar right here? No gym, no standing up, just 3 minutes of lazy science. Let's do this together. We're focusing on a secret muscle called the soleus. It's in your calf, and research shows that even while sitting, activating it can significantly improve your metabolic rate. It's the ultimate cheat code for lazy fitness. We're going to do a 3-step routine: the pump, the march, and the flow. Step 1, the pump. Keep your toes down and drive your heels up as high as they'll go. We're going to do this for 40 seconds. Feel that slight burn? That's your body processing energy. If you're doing this while watching this video, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Step 2. Now, let's add the seated march. Lift one knee toward your chest, then the other. Keep it slow and controlled. This engages your lower abs and hip flexors without putting any strain on your back. It's like walking, but better, because you're still on your couch. Step 3. Finally, the flow. Reach your arms up high to stretch your stomach. This actually helps with that bloated feeling. Now, a gentle twist to the left and the right. This massages your internal organs to keep digestion moving smoothly. 3 minutes. That's all it took to turn a food coma into a metabolic win. If you feel even 1% better, hit that like button. And I want to know, what did you have for dinner? Comment it below, and let's see who had the healthiest or the tastiest meal. Stay lazy, stay smart.